Welcome to the summary of our comprehensive course, Staying Ahead of the Curve, Trends, Updates and Adaptation. This course is your roadmap to mastering the art of staying relevant in an ever-evolving digital landscape. The world around us is constantly changing, and so are the trends, updates and tactics that dominate the digital space. To thrive in this dynamic environment, one needs to stay informed, be adaptable, and continuously innovate. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to do just that. The course is divided into 5 engaging modules. The first module explores the importance of staying relevant in today's world. It delves into how staying abreast of the latest trends and updates can significantly impact audience engagement and growth. The second module is all about trend-spotting techniques. It gives you a deep dive into how to monitor industry trends effectively and predict future developments that can give you a competitive edge. In the third module, we navigate the often challenging territory of updates and changes. Here, we discuss strategies for adapting your content and strategies to meet the new requirements these changes often bring. The fourth module takes you through the evolution of content. It shares insights on how to refresh your content formats and styles to keep up with changing audience preferences and emerging trends. Finally, the fifth module emphasizes the significance of continuous learning and personal growth. It explores the role of experimentation and innovation in staying relevant and ahead of the curve. Each module is packed with real-world examples, practical tips, and actionable strategies to help you stay at the forefront of your niche. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or aspiring YouTuber, this course summary will empower you with the knowledge and strategies you need to stay ahead of the curve. So buckle up as we delve into the key highlights of each module. Firstly, we explore the crucial aspect of staying relevant in today's dynamic digital landscape. In the vast and ever-changing digital world, the importance of staying relevant cannot be overstated. It's the lifeblood of any successful content creator, marketer, or aspiring YouTuber. Staying relevant is not about being trendy or chasing the next big thing. It's about being in tune with your audience's interests and needs, and delivering content that resonates with them. Imagine you're a musician playing to a crowd. If you only play songs from the 70s when your audience is mostly millennials who love pop music, you'll quickly lose their attention. Similarly, in the digital world, if you're not speaking the language of your audience, not addressing their concerns or interests, you'll soon find yourself playing to an empty room. Relevance impacts audience engagement directly. When your content aligns with your audience's interests, they're more likely to engage with it, share it, and keep coming back for more. It's a simple equation. Relevance equals engagement, and engagement, in turn, fuels growth. Now, staying relevant does not mean you have to reinvent the wheel every time. It's about being aware of what's happening around you, understanding the shifts in your industry, and adapting your content to reflect those changes. It's about being in tune with the zeitgeist, the spirit of the times, and incorporating it into your work. One of the key ways to stay relevant is by keeping up with the latest trends. Trends can be a goldmine of inspiration, providing fresh ideas and perspectives. They give you a glimpse into what your audience is currently interested in, allowing you to tailor your content in a way that resonates with them. However, it's essential to understand that not all trends are created equal. Some may be fleeting, while others may have a lasting impact. It's crucial to discern which trends are worth investing your time and resources into. A deep understanding of your audience and your industry can help you make this distinction. Moreover, staying updated with the latest trends is not just about content. It's also about technology and platforms. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with new platforms emerging and existing ones updating their algorithms. Staying updated with these changes can help you optimize your content and strategies for better reach and engagement. So, how do you stay relevant in this fast-paced digital world? It's a mix of staying updated, understanding your audience, and adapting your content to reflect the changes around you. It's about being agile, open-minded, and willing to evolve. Remember, the goal is not to chase every trend or jump on every bandwagon. Instead, it's about finding the intersection between what's current and what aligns with your brand and your audience's interests. That's the sweet spot where relevance lives. Staying relevant isn't a choice. It's a necessity in today's fast-paced digital world. Next, we unravel the secrets of effective trend-spotting techniques. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, being able to spot trends before they peak is an invaluable skill. It's like having a crystal ball that gives you a glimpse into the future, allowing you to adapt and evolve your content to meet the ever-changing demands of your audience. So, how do you spot trends? One of the most effective ways is to keep your finger on the pulse of your industry. This means actively participating in industry forums, following thought leaders on social media, and keeping up to date with industry news. By immersing yourself in your industry, you'll be in a prime position to spot emerging trends. Another critical aspect of trend spotting is understanding your audience. What are their interests? What are their pain points? What are they currently talking about? By understanding your audience, you can predict what they might be interested in next. This will allow you to create content that resonates with them, increasing your engagement and reach. But spotting trends is only half the battle. The other half is knowing how to incorporate these trends into your content strategy. This is where the importance of early adoption comes into play. Early adoption is all about being one of the first to jump on a trend. This can give you a significant advantage as it allows you to establish yourself as a thought leader and innovator in your field. However, early adoption doesn't mean blindly following every trend that comes your way. It's about carefully evaluating each trend to determine whether it aligns with your brand and your audience. If it does, then by all means, jump on it. But if it doesn't, it's perfectly okay to let it pass. After all, not every trend is going to be a good fit for your brand. Now let's talk about predicting future developments. This is a more advanced aspect of trend spotting, and it involves looking at current trends and making educated guesses about where they might lead. For example, if you notice a growing interest in sustainable living, you might predict a future trend in eco-friendly products or green living tips. By predicting future trends, you can position yourself ahead of the curve, giving you a competitive edge. In conclusion, effective trend spotting involves monitoring industry trends, understanding your audience, embracing early adoption, and predicting future developments. By mastering these techniques, you can stay at the forefront of your niche, ensuring your content remains relevant and engaging. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. Spot the trends early and stay ahead. Now, let's discuss how to navigate through constant updates and changes. As we journey through the digital landscape, we're bound to encounter constant updates and changes. These changes can be seen as obstacles or opportunities, depending on how we approach them. The key lies in adaptation. Like a chameleon changes its colors to blend with its environment, we too must learn to adapt our content and strategies to stay relevant. Think of updates and changes as waves. Instead of fighting against the current, we should learn to surf these waves. This requires flexibility and a keen understanding of our niche. When a new update rolls out, don't panic. Take a deep breath and delve into the details. Understand what's changing and why. Next, analyze how these changes may impact your content or strategy. Will a new algorithm affect your content's visibility? Does a platform update require a change in your content format? Asking these questions can help you gauge the implications and plan your next steps accordingly. Adapting to changes doesn't mean discarding your original strategy or vision. Instead, it's about tweaking and tailoring your approach to align with the new landscape. Remember, your core message remains the same. It's the delivery that might need a makeover. Pivoting is another crucial aspect of navigating updates and changes. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, things don't go as planned. Maybe a new trend didn't resonate with our audience, or a platform update significantly impacted our reach. In such situations, it's important not to lose heart. Instead, view these as learning opportunities and pivot. Pivoting involves shifting your strategy or approach when faced with unexpected challenges. It's about being resilient and resourceful, using feedback and performance metrics to guide your decisions. Embracing a pivot doesn't mean admitting defeat. It's a testament to your adaptability and commitment to staying relevant. In conclusion, navigating updates and changes is about adaptability, resilience, and continuous learning. It's about embracing the digital landscape's dynamic nature and using it to our advantage. So, the next time you're faced with an update or change, remember these strategies. Change is the only constant. Embrace it and you'll never lag behind. In conclusion, staying ahead of the curve is all about being aware, adaptable, and agile. Remember, relevance is key in our dynamic digital landscape. By mastering trend-spotting techniques, navigating updates and changes, and continuously evolving your content, you'll be well equipped to stay at the forefront of your niche. And remember, continuous learning and personal growth are your best allies. Join the full course to dive deeper into each module and equip yourself with the knowledge to stay ahead of the curve.